It's been a year since the Raspberry Pi 5 was launched, and many creators have made impressive projects with it. In this video, let's take a look at some of the great ones. Number 6. Let's begin our discussion with a NAS project created by Michael. He used a SATA hat to connect external drives, utilizing 4 of the 5 available slots. Before mounting the SATA hat, he added a cooling fan on top of the Raspberry Pi. To enhance the overall look, he designed an enclosure using Fusion 360 and printed the parts in aluminum-colored PLA. To ensure optimal airflow and keep the drives cool, he incorporated a 40mm 5-volt fan on the side. He also included a window in the design, which adds a stylish touch to the enclosure. Number 5. V Projects has created a tiny device that alerts you when your boss is checking on you while you're busy playing games on your laptop. It's like having an extra set of eyes watching your back. The device uses a Raspberry Pi server and a detection kit. The server is built with a Pi 5, a Raspberry Pi AI kit, and a camera module, while the detection kit includes a Pi Pico 2, a voltmeter, a MOSFET, an LED, and some resistors. When the server detects someone in the frame, it sends an alert to the detection kit. The LED on the detector lights up, and the dial moves towards 1, indicating a higher likelihood that someone is nearby. Number 4. Koshiro has built a ball balancing robot that keeps a ball from ever falling off a glass plate. But how does it work? Koshiro has explained the concept in detail, but here's a simpler way to understand it. Beneath the plate, there's a camera that captures the ball's position, and image processing is used to track its coordinates. An algorithm then checks how far the ball has deviated from the center and instructs the motors to move the ball back to that position. This way, the ball always stays on the platform. Before moving on to the next project, a word from our sponsor. Altium 365 is a powerful PCB design platform that makes it easy to share your design files with your team. Members can view, edit, and comment in real time, streamlining collaboration. Need input from a software engineer? They'll get notified and can take action right away with easy access to datasheets and materials. You can even send your design directly to the manufacturer, simplifying the process and boosting workflow efficiency. If you're a student looking to kickstart your PCB design career, Altium Student Lab offers online courses and free access to their cutting-edge design software to help you master the basics of PCB design and ECAD fundamentals. Check the description for more details. Number 3. Next, we have a Doomsday portable computer built by Kenneth. The entire setup is housed in a rugged, waterproof case that gives it a tough, durable appearance. Inside, you'll find a backlit keyboard, connecting ports, a headphone jack, and 2 displays. A small OLED display in the bottom right corner shows the Pi's stats, while a 7-inch LCD screen serves as the primary monitor. The Pi 5 handles all the computational tasks, ensuring smooth performance without any glitches. The system is powered by a power bank placed beneath the keyboard, with all the wiring neatly concealed using foam and plastic sheets. Additionally, portable solar panels allow you to charge the computer on the go. Number 2. Katie from the Element 14 community created a DIY time-lapse camera using a Pi camera and a Raspberry Pi. After her old camera had an unfortunate accident, she decided to take a DIY approach instead of buying a new one. She connected a Pi 5 to a hyperpixel display, using 2 GPIO extenders between them. This setup provided enough space for a cooling fan to circulate air around the Pi. She then attached a wide-angle lens to the camera and connected it to the Pi using a camera cable. Finally, she housed all the components in a 3D printed enclosure, giving the project a clean and polished look. Number 1. Our next Cyberdeck is housed in a new old stock enclosure from 1953. At first glance, it might look like an old toolbox, but inside you'll find a high-performance modern computer. The setup features a Pi 5 with 8 GB of RAM, a Pi Maroni base holding a 500 GB NVMe SSD, and a 7-inch LCD screen. For cooling, the Pi is equipped with an aluminum heatsink, and a 30mm fan has been added to vent the metal enclosure. The system currently runs on an external power supply, but the creator has also reserved space inside the enclosure for a power bank. So guys, these were some of the interesting projects made using Raspberry Pi 5. Which one did you like the most? Tell us in the comments, drop a like, and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. See you soon. Goodbye.